Hey guys, welcome back to Tay's Travel Ticket. And after a 7-hour long drive from 100-degree weather in Phoenix to now 60-degree weather, we are here in Newport Beach, California. We are staying 4 nights here in a VRBO little condo down right next to the beach. And I'll show you the next clip of our little condo. Here is from the door of our little condo. Here's a living room,
Ready
bar,
for dinner. Getting hungry.
a little dining table. There's Mom.
Sorry. I want to be hungry.
There's Gavin, computer, TV. Hi, Dad. Okay. There is the kitchen.
Yeah, I'm kind of thinking that little Mexican joint. Oh.
Dad.
Hello. Shower. This is the bathroom. It only comes with 1 bathroom, 2 bedrooms. Here's the master bedroom. A little bit of messy. Dad slept in it. Nap. TV. Both rooms have closets. Gavin and I's bunk beds. I get the top. He gets the bottom. TV.
Sunny.
Hey guys, so we were at the beach. We're at Newport Beach. We're checking out the water and the beach. We just got here after a 7-hour long drive. It's about 6 p.m. I would say. There's some sailboats going out. There's Gavin. It's very windy. It's cold. More cold than I expected it to be. Because I've been to San Diego before in the 80s. It is like 60s right now, but it's also in the evening. And it's cloudy today. There is no sun out today. What's your thoughts, Gavin?
Pretty awesome, and I like the sand. It's very cool.
Yeah, the sand's really soft. There's like hardly any seaweed.
I guess the whole point of sand actually is for it to be soft.
And our little condo is like 2 seconds from the beach. You can see the beach through the windows.
Yeah.
Going over?
I gotta vault this as well with the camera. Just gotta go across like this the sand.
So we're here at the bay at Newport Beach. It is very pretty. Right now we're like kind of in the marina area. There's a couple probably $1 million houses out here.
Yeah, I want to live in one of them.
Yeah. Mom and Dad are already talking about if they get the crypto coin that they're gonna go crazy and buy a house here.
If they get the crypto coin, even if they become crypto millionaires, if they get the crypto coin,
Crypto coin.
it only takes 1 coin, guys.
At the Baja Sharkies?
Yep.
Baja Sharkies.
There, I don't know what to do. What? That's rice. Yeah, white rice. Yep.
And we're gonna hopefully try paddleboard out there a little bit. Except it was sunny this morning, but now it's cloudy and windy and a little on the chilly side. But we just bought these.
It's a lot of work.
And it's a lot of work. And we have a whole nother one to do. Did I do it right? I feel like I did not do this right. Yeah?
It's very complex. Very complex system. Just a few more pumps, you'll be done.
Oh yeah. It's barely going. Arm workout. Go.
We started at the same time and I already did mine.
Yeah.
Not.
You wish.
See the face of anguish.
We need a electric one.
That would be something, I guess.
Mama's trying out her paddle board.
First time.
First time. Dad's all the way out there already. So Mom just fell in because she thought it'd be a good idea to go over the rope line, but forgetting there was a fin at the bottom of the paddle board.
I put your paddle straight, yeah. Mom forgot she had a fin. She couldn't go over the rope.
Yeah.
Note to self. Right?
All right. Look at our big kids. They're the big kids now. Everybody subscribe to Taylor's new channel, and you can watch more of her paddleboarding to nowhere.
We're back here at the condo, paddleboarding 10 out of 10. We got the paddleboards for $250 each on Amazon, and I say the money is well spent. We're right across from our condo. There's a little bay and marina, and that was the perfect spot to put in for the paddleboards. And there was also a bunch of kayakers out there. And down the street there is a rental place for kayaks, paddleboards, bikes that I'm sure is pretty cheap. I can look at it later.
Well, there's like 4 or 5 of them, but the typical rate is about $20 for an hour, $30 for 2 hours, or be like us and just buy 2 for $250 a piece and really enjoy it. If we stayed here, this 20th Street Beach and Bikes, I guess they give good deals for if you stay at this particular location, which we can show you. If you go right across the street, there is a park, and then right behind that a beach, and that's where you put in.
Right out here is a beach right there. That's where you put in, and it is not even a 5-minute walk. Be a big paddleboard, so it might be a little bit harder, but honestly, and we blew ours right here on the grass, which made things a lot easier. And then right over the grass on the other side, there is the beach side, and there's a bunch of kids playing. There's a lot of families, a lot of people paddleboarding, and a lot of people kayaking. So it's kind of the whole community out here. And the waves are pretty good. It was semi-windy, but we didn't have too much trouble. Mom was the only person to fall in. Yeah, was telling me all about Game Boys.
Yeah, I'm educating her about Game Boys.
Yeah.
And dances and stuff.
So now we are heading down to the spaghetti factory. Well, we have to meet up with Mom and Dad because they went out for a drink without us. Sad.
Because we can't go in the bar.
Now we wait. And we wait.
We waiting right now.
And we wait. And we wait. And we
We
wait.
cannot wait him.
Dad.
Well, first Dad fell down the stairs.
No, he did not.
He tripped on his flip-flop.
Shut the fuck up.
And
Shut the front door.
he
You fell
tripped
on the
and
stairs.
I caught myself. I almost
caught
Oh my God.
He tripped really badly though.
But I caught myself.
Having another drink?
It was so
It was so funny. It was so funny.
Was it funny?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
But chain was
Oh my God, that's freaking
We're here
amazing.
at Handel's Ice Cream.
Oh my God, that's so
Yeah, we got
good.
cotton
I
candy.
get diabetes from this.
I got a black
That's very sweet. It's good. Oh, I like it.
Dad's not getting one. He already ate candy. That's okay.
I did 2 flavors. It's so big, I wish I could do 2 flavors.
You probably could.
Can I have a bite of that one? Yours is awesome. Okay, Taylor's is amazing.
Yeah, Gavin's tastes like bubble.
Because he gets
No, I don't like the. I don't like the chocolate chips in yours.
Everybody happy?
There are like 2 or 3 more pubs that way.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, there you go.
So
You don't
Mom
like that. Why
got
gotta eat that first?
coffee
That's way too
chocolate
much.
chip.
Never eat all that.
Good.
That's very espresso-y.
Yummy. Now you're gonna be awake. Yeah.
Rally!
Yeah. Hi guys, it is day 3 of our California trip, and we are about to go on a drive to Dana Point, like near Dana Point, just kind of down the way to check out some new beaches, cute little towns, and just check out California. And can we just talk about the houses?
That look like one level when you walk by them until you come around.
Yeah, it is. They're super nice. These are like $1 billion houses.
In like 10 years.
And right here is the ocean. Mom is obsessed. She wants every single one of them. See all these fancy houses, and they go all the way down to the beach. The beach is packed. Beach volleyball courts, it looks like. Pretty rocks. We're walking down, except it's like a mile walk down to the beach. So if you come down here, make sure you go on one of these trails, because if you have to bring all your chairs and stuff. Like, look at this steep walk. Some pretty sailboats. There's Mom. Hi, Mom. Hello.
Hi. We're walking this way.
Done. Okay, so we're here at the Cliff Restaurant, and let me show you guys the view.
This doesn't suck, right?
It
This
does
is your
not
place.
suck.
Look
The
at all
beach
that.
is all over there.
I heard.
It's pretty affordable.
I kind of want a grilled cheese.
Gavin.
A grilled cheese sounds good right now. What can I say?
Fries, fruit, or pasta salad.
Fries. Yep.
There you go, son. You're a happy boy.
Son, you saved me so much
Well,
money.
you should really try.
I haven't had a grilled
Gavin, I
cheese
think you should have
forever.
a calamari burger.
That does sound good, actually.
Calamari steak. Calamari steak.
You would not like a
I
calamari.
always forget about this.
Fries.
This looks amazing.
Can we talk
Gotta get
about
this.
how pretty the salad is?
Yeah.
It's so pretty, I almost don't want to eat it, right?
On that quesadilla, then I got a
Look at
sandwich.
this.
My grilled
And then
cheese.
Gavin's
I'm
Gavin.
gonna see what's in this.
Oh, a dolphin. What?
They're awesome.
The pool guy just bombed you.
Yeah, I saw that. But look at this. Pretty art. It's a very artsy town. Oh. So Mom and I are in this cute shopping center in Laguna Beach. Cute. It's all local shops. All locally owned.
Really cute.
Yep.
I love it here. It's really expensive, but really cute.
Yeah. Well, that's California for you.
Right, right.
This is pretty cool. This is, where are we at? Laguna
We
Beach,
are
right?
Laguna Beach,
Laguna
yes.
Beach is awesome. Go all the way around.
Let's keep
Edge,
tracking.
and then there's town that way.
Town is all the way to the right of us, and there's a boardwalk over there and everything. And to our right over here is some really cool rocks. We have no idea where these came from, but there's like some over here as well. And they're pretty cool.
You guys working out?
Look at him work. Is that a bowling ball? He's got a bowling ball.
That is called medicine ball.
Medicine balls. What do you think of the beach, Dad?
I think this little area is really neat. It gets you away from that, and then it gets you this little covey thing. I love this. And the sun is out.
It's awesome. It's a very cool place.
Hey guys, welcome to day 3 of our Newport, California trip. I buried Gavin in the sand.
I'm the sand guardian. Guardian of the sand.
All done.
Hold on.
Now you're covered in sand. And yeah, we're just spending the day at the beach today, and then we're going home this evening for a 5-hour drive back to Las Vegas. So yay.
Lovely day on the beach. Finally got some sun, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Still a little cold though. Not
I wouldn't consider this cold. I would
It's not
consider
cold.
this just right. The water's a little cold. Yeah. And anyways, we thought we'd go back tonight, get some good sleep in our own beds. All right, Jay. Chase. Travel. Ticket. Subscribe. Click the link below. Woo! And destroy it.
No!
Not so much?
Not so much.
Okay.
Thank you guys for watching this episode of Tay's Travel Ticket. Please leave a like and subscribe down below, and see you guys in the next episode. Bye!